Welcome back to Initial Speed. Again, I'm your host, Phil, for those that don't know. For those that don't know, this is the first video that you're seeing. I'm doing a little rebuild on a Beetle for my wife, an 03 Beetle. However, that does not mean there is no JDM stuff on here as well. Go take a look at the channel and you'll see a lot of different things being done to different vehicles. I'll leave it at that. So, just to give you a little background on this, everyone in the family has been helping me try to get this thing finished for my wife. My mom and sister have been encouraging my wife to wait, it'll look great. My brother-in-law has been pretty supportive, letting her know that this is going to be pretty sick when it's done. My dad, as you saw, or maybe not have seen in an earlier episode, rebuilt the rockers for us. One brother has helped source parts, and another brother is helping me on the audio. So everyone's giving a hand. Anyhow, just giving you a little backstory as to what is taking place. I hope you like, and leave a message down below. Let us know what you would like to see, what you did like on this, what you didn't like. You know, all of that stuff. That helps us to produce better videos. And don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. That helps the channel to do better, so we can make better videos. Alright guys, let's get into this. Okay, hello, welcome back to Initial Speed. I am meeting up with my brother so he can put this deck in. Stereo. Let's go. Top's down.
Where's the microphone?
On the deck.